This stadium is unique in many ways. 1, the noise. 2, the design. 3, the noise. 4, it's breaking every fire code in the United States. 5, people like to drink a lot of beer and cheer.
Jij zit net al nee, hè? Dus
I'm pretty much standing here in the aisle. That's why we have a dead guy on the street. You can see how crowded it is here. It is a Crackerbox. I don't know if I've been to any other stadium like this. It's this loud and this on top of each other. The fans are on top of the players. The fans are on top of the fans. Hey, if we were in the U.S., this place would be closed for breaking fire codes.